In a war, there are many moments for compassion and tender action. There are many moments for ruthless action. What is often called ruthless, what may in many circumstances be only clarity, seeing clearly what there is to be done and doing it, directly, quickly, awake.
I exit out of my sarcophagus, fourth horseman of the apocalypse, for my esophagus breathe the evil that just demolishes, abolishes, to the darkness of Mephistopheles, mental a temple that went through an ancient necropolis, conquered this, from a fetus to genius, took DNA from the shroud of Turin and cloned Jesus, merciless leaders, the 19th galaxy, born to a storm on the seas of Galilee, battle me and suffer whiplash from my apostles, leave you in shackles in the castle of Nosferatu, icon is hostile, immortals cause contusions, hologram is known for placing poison in Christians' communion, slash with the axes of ultraviolence, crucifixions, indiction by Pontius Pilate, I walk naked in the house of David with pride, force you to bleed just to make sure that you're still alive, crystallized, we keep it live, y'all can't see me, bad as
Wait. You're good. Whoa, dude.
Derogatory, mad expository, expedition in your auditory, categories don't apply. Your mind's eyes blinded by my battle raps. Like cataracts, your habitat is Halifax. Once I run you out your native city, Shay's committee is pretty witty, we show no pity.